Hello, Sandy employees. Welcome to this brief overview on the Sandy City FMLA policy. From the Employee Handbook, in order to be eligible for Family and Medical Leave, or FMLA, you must have been a Sandy City employee for 12 months and you must have worked 1,250 hours for the city in the 12 months prior to the commencement of the leave. Eligible employees are entitled to 12 weeks of paid or unpaid job-protected family and medical leave within the calculated leave year for the following reasons: to care for your child after birth or placement for adoption or foster care, to bond with a child, to care for your spouse, minor child, adult child with a disability, or parent who has a qualifying serious health condition, for your own qualifying serious health condition that makes you unable to perform your job, or for qualifying exigencies arising when your spouse, child, or parent is on or called to cover active duty in the armed forces. Any leave is eligible, if it's eligible, will be counted as part of the 12 weeks allowed under FMLA. An employee's leave year will be calculated on a rolling schedule, meaning an employee's eligible leave will be measured backward from the date FMLA leave is used. Please contact Human Resources for a definition of the qualifying serious health condition. If you have any questions on the above criteria, please let us know. Intermittent leave. When medically necessary, you may take FMLA leave intermittently or on a reduced schedule for your own serious health condition, the serious health condition of a spouse, child, or parent, or for military caregiver leave. Employees must make reasonable attempts to arrange leave to minimize disruption of the city's operations. Qualifying exigency leave may only be taken intermittently. However, leave due to the birth or placement of a child for adoption or foster care may not be taken intermittently and must be completed within a 12-month period from the date of birth or placement of the child. Notice of leave. You should not use FMLA leave to circumvent your department's leave request procedure. To request FMLA leave, contact Human Resources 30 days in advance of when you wish to take the leave. In case of an emergency, contact Human Resources as soon as is practical. Supervisors also have a responsibility to notify Human Resources if they are aware of an employee with a medical condition who may be eligible to be placed on FMLA leave. Employees do not have to share a medical diagnosis, but must provide enough information for Human Resources to determine if the leave qualifies for FMLA protection. Sufficient information could include that you are unable to perform your job duties, or that a family member cannot perform daily activities, or that hospitalization or continuing medical treatment is necessary. Employees must inform Human Resources if the need for leave is for a reason for which FMLA was previously taken or certified. Failure to provide timely notice may result in a delay in the start of your leave. Employer responsibilities. Within 5 days of your leave request, Human Resources will inform you whether you are eligible or ineligible with accompanying reason for FMLA leave. Additionally, Human Resources will provide you a notice of rights and responsibilities under the FMLA. Human Resources may require a certification or periodic certification supporting the need for leave. If the certification is incomplete, Human Resources will provide you with written notice indicating what additional information is required. Once we receive the information or receive additional information, you will be notified if your leave, as well as the amount, has been designated as FMLA and if you have been approved. We will also notify your department head that you have been approved. Maintenance of benefits. If you have less than 12 weeks or 26 weeks as appropriate of eligible paid leave, you may be eligible to go on unpaid leave status for the remainder of the period. While on paid FMLA leave, the city will continue to pay all of your designated benefits. While on unpaid FMLA leave status, the city will pay the city's portion and your portion of medical, dental, and life insurance premiums on your behalf and may continue to pay for your benefit buy-ups if you elect to continue them. However, the city will deduct any payments made on your behalf from your first paycheck upon your return to work from unpaid leave. If you do not return to work, you will be required to pay the city back for these payments made on your behalf by the city. So entering your time. Employees will be placed in the STML or FMLA work group once you have been approved. Here you can see inside the portal when an employee has been placed in the work group in order to be able to enter their time as FMLA or STML. How do you track your time? If you are entering your time into the portal, you will have access to the FMLA pay codes. Here you can see the pay codes listed in the portal. So if you do not enter your time in the portal, make sure you mark on your timesheets when you use time related to FMLA. You and your supervisor are responsible for making sure your time gets entered correctly. If you have any questions on this process, please contact Human Resources. If you would like to know the number of FMLA hours you have left, please feel free to contact us. If you have questions on the FMLA process or short-term medical leave, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thanks!